We're going to take a look at a few features of the BuyFilters.com website, primarily the navigation structure and how that works. You see across the top here the navigation for pages and various different areas of information in the site. Down below we have some feature areas for automatic filter replacement, meaning reminders when filters need to be changed, which is a common problem, and a solution that we provide for that. Choosing the right filter, giving some in-depth information on how to do that, and custom filter sizes for those that have filters that are not common or non-standard sizes. Above that, and above the graphical area that we have here, is your primary navigation for filtration to make it easy for you to buy filters quickly. So on this left side we have a standard 1-inch air conditioner furnace filter navigation area, where for a 1-inch filter you would select a width and height. On the right side is a whole house cleaning cartridge filter. If you don't know what that is, you likely don't have one, but for some houses and some homes, they have installed a whole house cartridge that is anywhere from 3 to 6 inches, generally 5 or 6 inches thick, that might be in the ductwork near the handler and so forth. So in that case, if that's what you need, you would pull that drop down and select in here one of those replacement filters for the equipment that you have, or the filter that you had originally in the equipment, because we sell the replacement filters for those. Otherwise, if you're buying a 1-inch filter, you would simply select your width, which will be your smaller number, and your height. Click submit, and then we will show you the options that you have for buying filters for the 1-inch application. Our filters are sorted by efficiency. In other words, what the MERV rating is. MERV, for those that do not know what that is an acronym for minimum efficiency reporting value, which is an industry standard that tells you as a consumer how efficient or how well your filter captures particles. The filter has two purposes for being. One is to protect equipment, the other is to clean the air. So the most equipment, or all equipment generally, is covered by the pleated filter line. We do not carry fiberglass filters because they're not efficient enough to keep your equipment in good order. But in our pleated filter line, our focus is cleaning first your equipment, but moreover the air that you breathe. So at the MERV 8 level, it'll catch larger particles. The higher number MERV rated filter, the MERV 13, or highest number that we would have, would be a filter that would be great for those with allergies and that kind of thing. So it catches not only the large particles but the very small particles in the air. The MERV 11 obviously is in between that. And then you have the carbon filter, the odor band filter here, and what that has in it is a crushed carbon that catches volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, like molecules of odors that you would get from glue and carpeting, odors from petroleum products in the air, odors from pets and that kind of thing, and those carbon particles will capture molecules from those odor causing sources. So from there you simply select one of your filters. In this case I'm selecting the MERV 11 pleat, which is our supreme quality pleat. We sell these filters in cases of 6, so you'll notice the price is $40.99 for 6, which would be $6.84 per filter. In the retail store, these filters cost generally around $10 to $12 a piece. So you find here a tremendous savings for a filter that's most of the time a higher quality filter, in that we have a 2-piece frame instead of a 1-piece frame, which makes it stronger, and more pleats per foot, which means you have more media or more particle capturing material in your filter to catch particles. So that's how we allow you to quickly order filters And generally speaking, from the time that you place your order after adding it to the cart and going through the checkout process, generally we will send those filters out the day after you order within 24 hours. So that's the first segment, and we'll see you in a little bit.